I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. You don't need more motivation to go to the gym. You just need better habits. These 10 tiny shifts changed everything for me. If you've been falling off, starting over, or you just can't stay consistent, this video is for you. So let's get right into the video. Number 1, wear a cute fit. Looking good before the gym helps you feel confident in the gym. I don't care what anyone says, unless you are motivated or fueled by something like a heartbreak or something that just makes you feel like I got this. I don't care what I got on. I'm going to the gym because I need a way to release this frustration or this anger or whatever. Wear a cute fit to the gym. The first time I lost 40 pounds in 4 months, I was going through a really tough heartbreak, and that was my motivation for the next 90 days. And I consistently ate right. I stopped eating junk food. I went to the gym every single day for 90 minutes a day, and I was doing it up. But most of us really just want to lose the weight, or we really want to be just feeling like a healthier versions of ourselves. Looking good helps that. And looking good is subjective. It doesn't mean go buy all these two-piece cute gym outfits and then put yourself in debt. No, it just means find things that make you move comfortably, feel flowy, and allow you to still feel good when you're working out. That can include matching sets, oversized t-shirts, clean sneakers, whatever makes you feel good. It's easier to show up when you see yourself in something that you like. Number 2, your pre-workout playlist is your pre-game energy. Think of this as a warm-up for your brain. So just like you're stretching at the gym, hopefully before your workout so you don't cramp, you need a pre-workout playlist. For me, it's gospel music that's just really hype, that gets me into the space of oh yeah, I can do all things through Christ, baby. Come on. You don't drink a smoothie on the treadmill. So that's the same thing with your hype music. You don't wait till you get to the treadmill or to the leg machine or to the bench press to get hype. You hype yourself up before. So play your favorite tracks before you get to the gym, in the car ride over there, in your headphones, whatever you have to do to hype yourself up to get into the headspace. 10 minutes, that's all it takes. Put a 10-minute timer on if you have to be that specific, or just find a playlist that has 5 of your favorite songs, and I promise you it's gonna feel so much better once you get in the gym. Number 3, know the vibe. This is kind of a hot take because a lot of people will say know what you're going to the gym for, but if you haven't been going consistently or you keep falling off, the goal right now is to just stay consistent for a set amount of time. Do not obsess over the perfect plan first. Ask yourself, what's the vibe today? You might figure out what you're going into the gym to do the minute you walk into it, and that's okay if that means you're on day 29 of showing up consistently at the gym. Then maybe after 21 days, it takes 3 weeks to kind of build a habit or a routine, 90 days to build a lifestyle. Then start saying, today's leg day, today's back day, today's cardio day. Whatever you have to do to get yourself to that point, you go in there and just make sure you show up for 20 minutes at the very least. You can be intentional later. You just need to make it exist first. Number 4, romanticize the routine. I cannot stress this enough. I love romanticizing my life. The most boring, mundane tasks become the cutest aesthetic for me, because if it doesn't, I ain't doing it. You need to make the gym feel like your main character moment. If you have to go on YouTube and listen to those motivational 10-minute quotes where it's just back to back of Denzel Washington or Taraji P. Henson or whoever giving such a motivational college graduation speech, by all means do it. If you have to listen to 10 minutes of spiritual talk of God's got your back, don't you worry, and that gets you pumped, great. If you gotta listen to Big Time Rush, I don't know, but you find a way to romanticize the routine. And for me, that's finding a playlist that makes me feel like I am the star of a Marvel movie. You heard it. I could be Monica Rambeau's little sister in the future. You never know. But I play things that make me feel like I am in a movie. Period, point blank, call it delusional, I don't care. But those edits sometimes on TikTok, matter of fact, do that. Go on TikTok, create a collection, so save a bunch of things, name it motivation for the gym, and I promise you, let that Creed edit be in there too. I promise you that'll get you pumped up. The short and long of it is, I literally, for maybe about 6 or 7 days when I was getting back into the routine of working out consistently, there was this Maverick, the movie Maverick, I think, Top Gun. I didn't even see the movie, but the edit was so good on TikTok with the music, the sound design. I do this as a day job. So if a video is well curated and I'm inspired by it, so much so that I want to sprint on the treadmill, you trust and believe I'm saving that video and watching it on repeat. I don't know what it was. I'm gonna find it. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here. That video, I can't put any music to it because of copyright, but that video truly got me in the space where every time the music started pumping up, I would sprint sprint. So I do interval sprinting and then walking, and then next thing you know, it's been 14 days that I've done that consistently and I've lost 5 pounds. Like, whatever you have to do that keeps you hyped up, do it. Number 5, don't skip the warm up. This is something that my boyfriend has told me consistently. My friends have told me consistently. Do not skip the warm up. You will cramp later, or you will just feel sore, and then you'll take a week off of the gym, and then the consistency is like, oh, I gotta start over again. It's really not an extra thing to do. It's truly essential. It's something that may feel like you're wasting time at the gym, or you just want to get into the workout. But as you get older, you really want to stretch those bones and make sure that you are taking care of them at the same time. Number 6, set micro goals, not milestones. Being consistent is too vague. Instead, just tell yourself, I'm gonna go 3 times a week. That includes the weekend. Or, let me finish this playlist before I leave. Maybe you put 10 songs on the playlist and you have to hear the final lyrics to that last song in that playlist till you can go. Or, say for example, you wanna create content, be more consistent with that, make it a 2-for-1. Your exit to leave the gym is creating that content and then posting it before you leave. Like, find a way to incentivize the moment until it becomes a routine, a lifestyle. Smaller goals equal more wins, which means that dopamine hit every time you get when you keep scrolling and you're like, oh, new video, I like this, new perspective, I like this. It's the same thing with that. Those are smaller wins where you're like, great, I made a cute little CapCut video, I posted it. Maybe I didn't post it, maybe I'm just like collecting all of them and I'll do a compilation later. Those are small wins and it makes you want to keep showing up for yourself. Number 7 kind of leads from number 6 is capture the moment. Even if you don't post it, take the mirror selfie, clock in and clock out, film a clip, track your progress. Because if you just keep showing up and you don't actively see the results from week 1, week 2, week 3, it's gonna be hard. Now don't go day 1, day 2, day 3, because then you're gonna be like, I'm still this weight and it's been 6 days. Yeah, you might have water weight. Yeah, you might keep eating wrong until you realize, oh, I need to work out and eat less of this because this has too many calories than the ones that I'm burning. It's not about being vain. It's truly just about seeing the change in yourself so that you continue to stay motivated on days where the discipline is low. Keeping those receipts will remind you why you started. Number 8, you need a post-gym ritual instead of a post-gym reward. I think we've mixed it up where it's like, if I go to the gym, like I can have these chips. If I go to the gym, I can binge watch this show. The post-gym ritual is something that you do every single time after you go to the gym that feeds the positive parts in you. So if you're moving your body, doing all that, maybe going to a sedentary activity like binge watching 3 one-hour episodes back to back is not the best thing to do. Maybe just watching 1 extra episode than you would have expected, but having that portion control, it will feed into all areas of your life. So whether it's a smoothie or skincare or stretching at home, end your workout with a positive routine. When the post-gym moment feels rewarding, you'll start craving it more, which means you'll start doing the thing you don't want to do more for the ritual. Number 9, don't let one off day ruin the week. So often we realize we get news or a day just becomes too overwhelming for us, or we just don't know why we're feeling the way we're feeling sometimes. And we don't go to the gym that day, or we don't move our bodies or do something for our health. If you miss one workout, don't start over. Just keep going. It's kind of like when someone's like, oh, I messed up that line, or oh, I messed this up in a presentation. Just pause and keep going. Your progress is not ruined by missing one day. It's ruined when you let shame make you quit. Grace always over guilt, okay? And last but not least, number 10, connect gym time to a non-negotiable. So stacking something next to something you already do makes it easier to complete. So for example, right after work, you go to the gym because they're right next to each other. Before class, you go to the gym because it is a great way for you to get sun before the day starts because you'll be inside all day. Like, find a way to make it easy, especially in the beginning. When it's anchored, it becomes automatic. Don't negotiate with yourself anymore. If you want your consistent gym era to be in your hot girl era, to be in your winter arc, you don't need more discipline, honestly. You need more habits that support who you're becoming. Start with the fit, press play with the playlist, and just show up. Your winter arc starts now. October 1st, you'll start seeing this more in action for myself, but right now we are in the prep area, and I want you to be on that same journey, building those micro habits that encourage that lifestyle that you want. That's already yours. You're just not operating like them yet. This is the prerequisite to your dream life. You do understand that, right? This is the prerequisite to your dream life. Don't let it pass by. If you stayed until this long in the video, first of all, I'm happy that you care about your health and wellness. Leave this emoji so I know that you are serious this time. When I say serious, I mean serious. It starts now, y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next episode of Party of One Podcast. Peace.